Yeah, man, greetings everyone. This is Stewie coming to you again from beautiful Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay, Jamaica. It's with excitement I announce the return of the Chilean based Latin American giant Latam Airlines operating non-stop out of Peru into Montego Bay. This airline was halted by the pandemic like many others and has returned with two weekly non-stop flights linking the city of Montego Bay, Jamaica and Lima, Peru. I feel like flying. I want to see the Panama Canal. That's Central America. That's Copa. Different airline. I'll leave it there. Now I am confused. Too many options out of Jamaica. Bless up, na man.
Wait for runway 07. Wait for runway 07, American 2620. American 2963, airborne 04, contact. Thanks to radar 120.
Over to radar, American 2963, thank you.
American 2620, thanks to tower, wind 050 at 12 knots, clear takeoff runway 07.
American 2620. Delta 1915, RNAV, runway 7, approach.
Tower second.
Tower, Delta 1915, currently RNP, runway 7, approach.
Delta 1915, thanks to tower, continue approach runway 07.
Approach, Delta 1915.
983, heavy, thanks to tower, line up and wait runway 07.
Line up and wait 07,
Boeing 73, now 10 miles on final, 3,400 feet and descending, report inside.
Delta Tango, copy, looking. They're probably in the clouds right now.
Tower, roger, remain north and clear. Additional traffic, November Alpha, off Negril. American 2620, airborne 06, correction 07, contact radar 120, decimal today.
2620. 1915, airfield in sight.
Canada 983, heavy, thanks to tower, wind 060 at 13, clear takeoff runway 07.
07, Air Canada 983.
915, thanks to tower, continue approach runway 07.
07, Delta 1915.
Thanks to tower. Land runway 07, wind 060 at 12 knots.
And runway 7, Delta 1915, thank you.
Come. Nine eight three heavy, airborne 09er, contact thanks to radar 1 today.
Decimal 8, Air Canada 983, enjoy your day.
Southwest 2482, just a heads up, we're going to need about 3 minutes.
482, thanks to tower, roger. Push right 07.
Alright, push short of 7, Southwest 2482.
460 November Alpha, runway 8 miles, final runway 07.
Thanks to November Alpha, thanks to tower, roger, continue straight in, runway 07. 1915, thanks to tower, route 11, vacate via taxiway Alpha, and clear contact going 1217, good day.
Taxiway Alpha, and clear over to ground, Delta 1915, thank you.
Looking now.
About a minute and a half.
Roger. 80, confirm you're fully ready.
JetBlue 780.
Alpha of you requested a minute before they're ready to go. Can you wait? 2482 Sanctuary Tower, roger. Stand by. Hold shot 07.
Southwest 2482. 1 Bolt inbound.
621 Sanctuary Tower, roger. How do you visual? Continue approach runway 07.
Interior 007, 621.
621 Sanctuary Tower, clear to land runway 07, away in the 06014.
7. Clear line 621.
Sanctuary Tower, line up on runway 07.
Runway 7, Southwest 2482.
JetBlue 621, vacate via taxiway Alpha expedite.
Expedite JetBlue 621.
Tower United 1462's inside Hussein on the RNAV RNP runway 07.
62 Sanctuary Tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07. Releasing 2 prior to arrival.
Continue the approach to runway 7 United 1462.
82 Sanctuary Tower, wind 06014, clear takeoff runway 07, no delay.
Takeoff runway 7, Southwest 2482.
Blue 780 Sanctuary Tower, confirm liberty.
Fully ready, JetBlue 780.
To Tower, confirming copy, you will be releasing 2 prior to arrival.
For United 1462.
November Juliet, Delta Ocean.
November Juliet, Sanctuary Tower, roger. Wind is 06014, clear takeoff runway 07 in section Delta.
Copy, wind, there's an exam.
482, airborne 20, contact Sanctuary radar 120, decimal good day.
20.8, Southwest 2482, see ya.
Juliet, remain north and clear approach path runway 07.
November Juliet.
1462 Sanctuary Tower, clear to land runway 07, wind 06014.
And runway 7 United 1462. Please.
6014. Remember Juliet, traffic now approximately 8 miles on final, 3,000 feet. Confirm you have him inside.
Alright, looking November Juliet.
Okay. 0 Sanctuary Tower, line up only runway 07.
Run up and wait 07, JetBlue 7.
United 1462, IRAP 23, vacate runway via taxiway Alpha expedite.
Expedite via Alpha United 1462.
1163 Sanctuary Tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07.
07 United 1163.
United 1163, traffic approximately 3.5 miles from the field, heading westbound, climbing to 1,000 feet, Cessna 206, will be north anchor. 780, Sanctuary Tower, wind 070 at 12, clear takeoff runway 07.
707, JetBlue 78.
Delta 1957, holding short 7.
57 Sanctuary Tower, roger. Hold short runway 07, standby.
Tower United 1462, would you like us to stay with you or over the ground?
To the ground, 1 to 1.7.
21.7, yeah, 1462.
63 Sanctuary Tower, clear to land, runway 07, wind 060 at 11.
07 United 11.
2780, airborne 25, contact Sanctuary radar 120, decimal 8. Have a good flight.
Blue 780.
RNP runway 07 approach.
2613, yeah, approach runway 07.
City approach runway 07, American 2613.
That's 07, stand by. Confirm fluid ready.
The 1957.
Delta 1957, I have a weight runway 07.
I have plate runway 07, Delta 1957.
United 1163, wrap. Taxiway Bravo, ground 121.7, clear, good day.
And ground, wind clear, United 1163.
Extra Tower, American 875, over Usain, RMP 07.
American 875, continue approach runway 07, you're number 2 in the sequence for landing.
We'll continue, American 875.
Delta 1957, Sensor Tower, clear. 7, wind 070 at 14 knots.
South 07, Delta 1957.
Delta 1957, no delay on the road.
No delay.
Delta 1957, airborne 29er, contact Sangster radar 120, decimal 8, good day.
Decimal 8, Delta 1957.
Two 613 Sangster Tower, wind 0 at 14, clear to land runway 07.
And runway 07, American 2613.
Tower.
Go ahead for American 875.
75, number 1 traffic. Snow, continue approach runway 07.
Continue approach 07, American.
And 2613, vacate via high speed, around 30, ground 1217, clear. Vacate via taxiway Bravo, ground 1217.
Vacate via Bravo and ground 1.7, American 2613.
875, Sangster Tower, wind 070 at 11, clear to land runway 07.
Cleared to land 07, American 875.
Airport weight runway 07. Are after 32, vacate runway taxiway Alpha, when clear runway contact Sangs to ground 121.7, good day.
Exit via Alpha to ground, American 875, good day.
Eastern 605, Sangs to Tower, clear takeoff runway 07, wind 070 at 12 knots. 293 tower, confirm, ready?
Ready, Southwest 293.
Southwest 293, line up, wait, runway 07.
On runway 7, south.
Tree 72 tower, clear takeoff runway 07, the wind 0610.
Takeoff runway 7, Southwest 293.
Thanks, Tower Delta Tango 5 miles west. Assigned for left base 7.
8208, Delta Tango, thanks to tower, continue approach runway 07.
Continue approach for 7, Delta Tango.
Continue straight in approach runway 07.
Delta Tango, straight in approach.
American 1-2, turning final, RMP, runway 07, approach.
American 1-2, thanks to tower, roger. Continue approach runway 07, reduce approach speed. Number 2 in sequence. Number 1 is Cessna 206, approximately 3.5 miles final. Coming in for landing. Continue.
We will slow to our approach speed and continuing, RMP, runway 07, approach.
3 airborne, 37, contact radar 120.8.
Sure, Southwest 293.
Blue 2927 is on, we've done it.
927 Tower, roger. You are clear to land, runway 07, wind 070 degrees 12 knots.
Clear to land, runway 7, JetBlue 2927, thank you.
Airbus 320, JetBlue colors, line up and wait behind.
The JetBlue line up at wind 07, Southwest 293.
JetBlue 28, correction, JetBlue 2927, on time 33, vacate via taxiway Bravo, contact ground 121.7.
Bravo and 121.7, JetBlue 2927.
Two 9 and 3, wind 070 degrees 12 knots, clear for takeoff, runway 07.
Clear for takeoff 07, Southwest 293, thank you.
Mr. Tower, good afternoon, Latam 2446.
Andrew 2446, thanks to tower. Wind 080 degrees at 10 knots, clear to land, runway 07.
We expect runway 07, Latam 24. We are clear to land now on the Latam 2446.
And 3, contact thanks to radar 120.8, good day.
Good night, sir.
246, arrive time 39er, exit via taxiway Alpha, contact ground 121.7 when clear.
Alpha 121.7, thank you, Emperor 2446.